Ideal-tek people, have you ever wondered about the different type of precision cuts in the world of hand tools? That's what I'm here for, so let's dive into it. Today we'll talk about compression cutters, their characteristics, and how to choose the right cutters for your application. The compression cut happens when two cutting edges cut on the same plane. The cutting motion stops when the two edges hit each other. Compression cutter blades meet head to edge, causing a spiked cut. The three main features to consider when choosing cutters are the size of the head, the cutter head shape, and the cutting blade edge. First, you need to define the size of the head. At Ideal-tek we propose three sizes: small, large, and extra large. Listen, it's very easy. The bigger the head of the cutters, the more cutting capacity and pressure you can apply on the workpiece. The smaller the head, the easier is the access in confined space and the visibility of the cut performance. The second thing you need to define is the cutter head shape. There are four main shapes: oval head, taper head, taper and relieved head, and oblique head, plus another general category of special custom heads developed together with end user to solve critical application. The oval head is the workhorse of the cutter family, combining strength and durability to provide a reliable cut every time. These shapes allow to distribute evenly the cutting impact all over the blade. The tapered head allows to have a better access in confined space, so it's ideal for application where accessibility is key while preserving a good cutting force and tool life. This is even more true for the tapered and relieved head, where the minimal profile of the cutting sides allow to place the cutter in hard-to-reach area, for instance on a PCB board. The third crucial point is the cutting blade choice, and here three edges finishes are available. The semi-flush. Listen, both cutting edges have a very small bevel over the whole outer length. When the cutters are closed, the bevels form a V-shaped groove along the length of the cutting edges. In many applications, semi-flush cutter can produce hundreds of thousands of cuts before resharpening is even necessary. However, the lead or wire being cut will have a raised surface, a pinch or spike, exactly in the shape of the V-shaped groove. The pinch can be an advantage for solderability and connectivity. The second finish is the flush. In this finish, the bevels forms a small V-shaped groove along the cutting edge. Many users believe that the flush cutting edge provides the most desirable balance between long cutting life and flush cut leads. This is the most popular choice for most wire cutter application. And the third is a full flush. No bevel on either cutting edge. The backside is absolutely flat. And under magnification you can see a line on the lead where the edges come together, but you will not see a pinch. This is the most common finish in the medical device field. However, being an extreme cut, the tool life of a full flush wire cutter are significantly shorter. And that's not all. Our cutters have many more unique features, such as the Ergonomic Slim Handle, a lightweight solution designed especially for smaller ends. Well, that's not my case. The Ergonomic Handle with a biscuit shape for an easy pickup provides enhanced operating comfort and reduce repetitive motion injuries. It's also completely ESD safe and clean room compliant, which is very important in our sector. Our cutters are the only one with a unique lot tracing serial number, laser welded on each cutter. We are the only one on the market doing the same. They are made with a lap joint with screw and nuts to resist even the highest cutting loads, while maintaining strength and precision. So, if you need a cutter, whichever is your application, we got you covered.